So I'm going to show you how to insert SIM cards on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, the Xiaomi 17 Pro takes two physical nano SIM cards, and there's a SIM ejector that comes in the packaging of your phone. But of course, you can use any SIM ejector tool. Now, I'm going to prepare two nano SIM cards here and pick up my SIM ejector tool. I'll just use this one, okay? But of course, there's one that comes in the box that you can use. Anyway, so the SIM tray for this phone is at the bottom of the phone. You can see it right there. And there are two holes right there. So make sure you press this hole, okay? So that's why you want to put in the SIM ejector tool, not this one. If you put it in here, you're going to destroy the microphone. So put it on this little hole here and then push towards the phone, and the SIM tray will pop out, as you can see. So with the SIM tray popped out, all you have to do now is just pull it out like that. And then now you can see the SIM tray. Now, of course, this is where you put your SIM 1, and on the other side, you put your SIM 2. So let's start with SIM 1. So basically, you want to put it with the contacts facing out, okay? So like this, beg your pardon. So that's SIM 1. I'm going to place it like this with the contacts facing up, like that, okay? This indent should match the indent on the SIM tray. And then flip it over on the other side, and then again place it with the contacts facing up. You need to like push it into the SIM tray so that the SIM cards can hold themselves. As you can see, nothing is falling off. That means everything is intact. I'm now ready to push the SIM tray back into the phone. So make sure you align it properly. This hole should align with this hole here, and then just push it into the phone gently. There's no need to use excessive force until it's completely flush with the phone. That's it. Okay, so now in a couple of moments, the network bars should register. So let's just wait for that. In case they don't, you can go to settings. Under settings, go to mobile networks, tap on that, and you can see my two SIM cards are detected. So I'll just come here and then make sure that's on. Okay, so if it's off, you want to make sure you turn it on, and then you can see the SIM card name, the SIM card phone number, and everything. So let me go to the other one, tap on it, and then just make sure it's on as well. This one is gonna take some time to register, but as you can see, one of my SIM cards is already registered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.